Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
To me, it seems having a first dose and not having the second dose in time is a complete waste of the vaccine. And I am sure people who are in power should have some kind of a logistical solution to this, that it doesn't happen and the vaccine doesn't go waste. Because if we don't take it in the window, that's a wasted shot.
India began its vaccination drive on January 16, 2021. After frontline workers, India's first and foremost priority were the elderly. Countries across the world have followed the same process. Yesterday, Prime Minister Modi also pointed out that India is no different from other countries and will follow the same approach.
दुनिया भर के समृद्ध से समृद्ध देश जिसके पास सब सुविधाएं उपलब्ध है, उन्होंने भी वैक्सीनेशन के लिए जो क्राइटेरिया तय किए हैं, भारत उनसे अलग नहीं है। आप जरा स्टडी तो कीजिए, आप पढ़े लिखे लोग आपके पास है, जरा देखिए तो सही।
However, for India's elderly, the situation seems very different. In Haryana's Gurgaon, stocks of Covaxin have run short at some hospitals. And this after the Prime Minister took the second shot just a day before and advised the citizens to get their shot soon.
My name is Captain Gopal Bagai. I am a pilot by profession. 78, both of us.
My name is Priya Bagai, and I'm a senior citizen, and very disappointed today for what happened, because we're basically, maybe at this age we have a fear of what is going to happen, and if the second dose is not available, we don't know what's is in store for us.
And we were given our first dose of vaccine on the 11th of March 2021. The second dose was due from yesterday onwards. So we confirmed with them, they said come this morning. So that is the nearest hospital to us, and that's where we took the first dose. So we went to the hospital and they said, sorry, we don't have Covaxin, but we have the Covishield, which is not applicable in our case, because the first shot was of Covaxin. So I was a bit, I said, you called us yesterday. They said, yes, maybe we did, but we were not sure what is coming. And for the last 3 to 4 days, Covaxin has not come.
Mr. and Mrs. Bagai called almost every hospital in their vicinity, and all of them had the same thing to say. They do not have Covaxin. A staff member at Metro Hospital said they do not have Covaxin because they haven't received their supply of Covaxin from the government's end. They said if someone needs the vaccine, they should reach out to other centers. Since January 16, India has vaccinated approximately 94 million people. While it is still more than 200 million short of India's 300 million target, there are some other loopholes too. For instance, many people who have received the first shot have not in fact received their second shot.
To me, it seems having a first dose and not having the second dose in time is a complete waste of the vaccine. And I am sure people who are in power should have some kind of a logistical solution to this, that it doesn't happen and the vaccine doesn't go waste. Because if we don't take it in the window, that's a wasted shot.
And some pertinent questions this raises are, first, for how long will the efficacy of this vaccine shot last if the second shot is not given soon enough? There is no specific answer for this, and this has obviously left people worried.
A bit worried and concerned as to what's going to happen, because our age group is such that we would have liked protection, and it's not fair if you don't have a second dose and something goes wrong. And we were hoping that it would be there, but we're disappointed now. That's the thing.
Okay. And so what do you think that the government could have done better in terms of organizing?
Should have kept the second dose ready for the people who have already taken in store. That would have been an excellent way of going about it.
Secondly, Does India have data for how many people have received the first shot but not the second? We do. According to the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, only 12.5% of the total vaccinated population has received the second shot. Ideally, the second dose of Covaxin should be taken 4 to 6 weeks apart. The central government had previously said that the doses will be administered 28 days apart for maximum efficacy. Today is already the 29th day for Mr. and Mrs. Bagai, and the hospitals in their vicinity say that they do not know when they will get the vaccine.
I mean, I thought they would know, but they said we can't even promise you to tell you when the stock will be released to us of Covaxin. At the moment, we have only the Covishield, which is of no relevance to us. This morning, I called up about me and some of the people whom we are associated with. They helped us out by calling up almost every hospital in the vicinity, as well as to an extent right up to Delhi, and asking if they have Covaxin, and they said no. Covaxin has not been coming for the last 3-4 days.
On vaccine shortage in India, the central government's response has largely been that of denial. While PM Modi has dismissed it as a political gimmick,
जहां तक राजनीति करना न करने का सवाल है, मैं तो डे वन से देख रहा हूं, भांति भांति के बयानों को झेल रहा हूं, लेकिन मैं कभी मुंह खोलता नहीं हूं, क्योंकि मैं मानता हूं ये हिंदुस्तान के लोगों की सेवा करना पवित्र हमारा जिम्मेवारी है। हमें ईश्वर ने इस समय ये कठिन परिस्थिति में सेवा करने का जिम्मा दिया है, हमने इसको निभाना है। जो राजनीति करना चाहते हैं वो कर ही रहे हैं, उनके लिए मुझे कुछ कहना नहीं है, लेकिन हम सभी मुख्यमंत्री अपने राज्य के सभी दलों को बुला करके, सभी प्रकार के लोगों को साथ रख करके अपने राज्य में स्थिति को बदलने के लिए आगे आएंगे। मुझे पक्का विश्वास है इस संकट को भी हम देखते ही देखते पार करके निकल जाएंगे। फिर एक बार मेरा यही मंत्र है, दवाई भी और कड़ाई भी।
Union Health Minister Harshvardhan Singh has said that the allegations of vaccine shortage are utterly baseless and an attempt to spread panic. Maharashtra, where COVID-19 cases have been rising massively, had also demanded for an increased supply of vaccines. Today, on April 9, 2021, Mumbai's BKC Jumbo Vaccination Center ran out of stock. In a tweet recently, the Union Health Minister had also pointed out that only non-BJP governed states were complaining. However, Haryana, home to the Khattar government, is a BJP-run state. Stories from Delhi's neighbouring Uttar Pradesh, another BJP-ruled state, have followed a similar trajectory.
आप क्या करने यहाँ पे आई थी मैम?
मैं टीका लगवाने आई हूँ यहाँ।
हाँ।
लेकिन यहाँ टीका बंद हो गया है।
हाँ।
और वैक्सीन है नहीं।
कल भी आए थे, नहीं था, आज भी नहीं हो रहा है, पता नहीं। अभी यहाँ पर अभी तो आ ही रहे हैं, तो यहाँ लोगों को देखते हैं खड़े हैं सब।
हम टीका लगवाने आए थे यहाँ पर।
हाँ।
और वो क्या नाम है, टीका तो यहाँ कह रहे हैं नहीं अभी।
हाँ।
और 3 दिन के लिए बंद कर रखा, 8, 9 और 10 तारीख के लिए।
As of now, India has shipped close to 64 million doses to around 85 countries, some as a goodwill gesture and some commercially. And the people have expressed agitation around that.
They may be thinking that just because it's 3 million or 4 million a day, unless it is assisted by the second dose, it's nothing.
No point.
It's a waste. It's a national waste to start with. And why don't they stop sending it outside? First, let's deal with our own country. I think we merit that. We have gone through a lockdown. People have sacrificed with their jobs, their work, their life, most of them. We merit that.
As cases rise in India, many states have asked the central government to decrease the age of vaccination to those above 25. But even as our elderly await, does India have the production capacity to allow for the same? Here's what Serum Institute's Adar Poonawala had earlier told the Mojo story.
I think vaccinating 2 to 3 million a day would be the maximum limit given the capacities, right? If you look at today, we're giving 60 million a month, right?
Yeah.
Maybe that can go to 70 million a month next month. The ramp up will come in June, July, as I mentioned, probably end of June, early July, where we can make 100 million a month. The point is, you add that to Bharat's capacities and other vaccine producers coming about, I don't think we can cross more than 3 million per day. based on the capacities that we have today. I could be wrong, but in my opinion, I think that that is a good level to be at, and no country is exceeding that on a daily basis. If you look at what's happening, I mean, are there countries giving more than 3 million vaccines a day?
No, but is that enough for us to avert the lockdown redux that our states?
I'll tell you now, that's a good point. So let us de-link the two for a moment, because we all know that even if you get a vaccine, you can still transmit the disease to others, and you will have mild to moderate symptoms. It's not a bulletproof vest. Imagine you're shot with a gun, you're still going to get bruising and a broken rib when the bullet the shield. And that's why we called it Covishield, that it's not a bulletproof vest.
India currently needs to vaccinate at the rate of 8 million people per day to reach designated targets. We vaccinated close to 3 million people on April 8, 2021.
बोतल चालू की है और इस पे आ रहा है कि भाई टीका नहीं लगेगा बोतल बंद कर दीजिए आप.
However, as demand rises and we see shortages, we still have many more battles to fight.
And somebody should wake up instead of just coming on television and making big claims.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.